everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely beautiful 1966 Pontiac GTO slick car, guys. To my veterans, you're going to probably remember this car. I have owned this car multiple times. Killer car, nice little history with it. This is a factory color combination, Palmetto green. It's had one repaint, but this is the original color combination. 80,000 original miles. It's had, I'm gonna guess 3-4 owners now. Real GTO, PHS documented. Nice car, man. Hits the road good. Slick paint. Matter of fact, the previous owner just ceramic coated this car, so it's got a brand new ceramic coat on it. Looks great. He also put brand new BF Goodrich Radial TAs on it and Krager SS wheels. Nice car though, man. 389 automatic with air. Nice GTO. This is one of those cars again. Sorry, a little water in there for the guys. Couple little stone pecks. Just a real nice car. There's not a whole lot to pick at, but you can pick a few things. Again, it's had one repaint, but this is the original color. Chrome and stainless is nice. Paint slick on the car. Again, it is an original 242 GTO. It is not a clone. Knots in the stainless there. Tinted glass. You can see the vinyl tops in great shape. Fit and finish is really nice on this car. I think it's got all the original body panels. I don't think they ever, like I say, it's only had one repaint. When we get underneath the hood here, you'll see the original paint still on the firewall. It's a nice car right here, man. Turn the key and go cruising. You can see nice and straight down the sides. New BFGs. I love the Kragers on it. It's got a little bit of rake to it. So it's got that old school hot rodder look. Good looking car right here. Again, original 389, 335 horse engine, stock 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. You can see it's got the original Harrison radiator with a shroud in there, power steering, power brakes. You can see that original vinyl marking there on the firewall. That's the original paint. That would have been an inspection mark coming down the line. Air blows cold. Just a good car, man. Stock chrome air cleaner and valve covers. A-pillar chrome's nice. Factory, I think that's a remote mirror. Looks like the original door handle's still on it. Door seams are nice and clean. That's actually a power seat. Bucket seats, console, stock steering wheel, stock wood grain dash. Interior's nice. Headliner's nice. Right there in your steering wheel, a couple of them. 80,219. Factory dash, AM radio, dash pads in nice shape. Dual exhaust, stock rear end. Again, clean underneath. This is your original paint right here. You see here a ton of documentation in the trunk. That's when I originally bought it. That it was a one-owner car then. Original owner's manual. As you can see, it's got the PHS documentation, the original window sticker for the car. Jack with the factory wheel is there. No tire on it. But I think they're looking for a space saver steering. Everything opens and closes real nice. It's just a good car. You see, guys, I'm sure you guys see the cars in the background. Lots of new stuff coming in, guys. It gets pretty tough here for the next 30 days for me to buy cars. So I'm stocked up. Tons of new stuff sitting in the building. We'll do our best to get it knocked out and get it advertised. As long as Mother Nature cooperates. It's got all the seat belts in it, which in '66, that actually was an option. It didn't come standard in there. It's just a good car, man. Center console lights work and stuff. Go ahead, Nathan. Again, car runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Pretty bone stock. You gotta love those stacked headlights. Not really much for gauges in there. Fuel gauge works. I don't think the clock works. It is a remote mirror. Love those tail lights in '66. Those back, there you go. See, I know the backup lights work. Just a nice car, guys. I don't think the radio works. Original push button. You can hear the blower motor in there working. I think Nathan's got the heat on. He's freezing. Doors open and close nice. Gotta tough these young ones up. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep in touch with us.